Did I hit him?
I don't know. I didn't see him flinch. So.
What's up, my fellow airsofters? Unseeable here, and welcome back to a brand new video. And guys, today I bought myself a leg pouch for my mags because I am tired of wearing my vest. So we're gonna be testing it out. Hopefully it's more useful and faster for me to reload with my magazines. And the gameplay you're about to see is absolutely nuts. So hope you enjoy it. And if you do, don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys later.
Yeah! Started to rain. Hey. A nice one.
What a beautiful start. Getting nailed right in the forehead by a rental. Awesome. Still getting shot off spawn while adjusting my hop up.
One. Okay.
You see me before?
Let's go.
Hey, my son, get down!
I can push.
Hey, there's this now.
Hey, little guy.
At that goes. Hoe zie je erop?
It seems that I made a new friend. I thought my goggles were fogging up. Little guy was blocking my view. I didn't even notice.
Get you.
Mais à gauche, tu vas à droite, live?
Moi, tu verras sa cabane, vas-y.
Ouais, il est mort, il est mort.
Il est mort? Il est au bas.
Ok, t'es prête?
Ouais, 1, 2, go. It's my hit?
Ah, il est mort. Oh fuck!
Nice. Oh shit! You got me?
Going to open up Classic.
Oh.
New spawn will be at the back of Classic.
What?
Alright, you're about to witness my best kill streak so far. The game mode is TDM, and watch what happens next.
Hey, la bâtisse direct là où c'est que le rugby.
Ouais. Go. Arrête, on arrête. Ah.
Wow, another awesome start.
Double kill.
You good? You good?
Shot for shot.
You didn't hit me, bro.
You sure?
Yeah.
No, bitch. Oh.
That was close though.
Man, that was a close one.
Come on.
Bang, bang.
Come on, fais-moi.
Bang, bang. Okay, you're not there, bang, bang.
Oh, you first shot.
Ah, ben là, me dérange pas, je suis mort.
Quand ça va être vite, tu peux faire quoi?
du sol, saute là. Non. T'en vas là.
Viens!
Comprends.
I'm so sorry guys, I did not mean to shoot you guys in the head. My aimbot was just on for some reason. I apologize.
What do you mean? You didn't get me, bro.
What the fuck?
Hey, are you red? Red. Goodbye, boys.
I finally get taken down. I don't know how many kills that I got, probably like 7. It's not a lot, but it's my longest kill streak so far in Airsoft. So yeah, many more to come.
Hope you guys aren't using the woods because it's out of play.
I was not in the wood.
Okay, no, just say.
Hey, wait, you didn't hit me. I'll call it though.
Hein?
Ton shotgun il a jammé, hein?
J'ai plus de gaz.
Ah.
Je voulais vraiment ma dernière shot, juste me tourner, de voir.
Mais tu m'as regardé en premier, je suis comme fuck it, mon poignet de hit.
Okay, I'm gonna translate this in English. Basically what happened is I turned the corner, he was looking straight at me, tried to shoot me, but he ran out of gas, and I just took the hit anyways. Even though he did not shot me, just me being a good sport, you know, makes the game fun.
Oh, those one. There's two there. Too many barrels.
Yeah, the big barrels.
The new ones.
Big one.
Oh, the big, oh, okay, the fuel tanks.
No, but you guys can see each other?
Yeah.
That's what I intended.
Hello, baby.
Now for the last 2 games, we're gonna be playing some demolition, 4-on-4, and we are attacking first.
It's on there? Nice, that's right. What?
Alright, we got the A-bomb. And unfortunately I get taken down. After that, our teammates got the B-bomb site as well, so we won the game.
Yay!
And now we're defending.
Entendez.
Honestly, really liking this leg pouch. My reload speed is 10 times faster instead of having a tactical vest. And it's lightweight.
Ça va, j'étais up. Ça, je sais. T'as bon point, ça.
C'est bang mon esti.
Ah non, c'est tiré sur le chafouette. Hey! Ouais, je sais. Chamon. Did I hit him?
I don't know. I didn't see him flinch. So.
Bruh. Nakita na Red's container. One more time. One. Hi, Shama. Oh, dude! Bullshit. Oh my God. Oh, I'm dead, I'm dead. You could have said bang. I call it. Killstreak. Ah, go, 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 go.
On est plus de balle. La tiens, pas ça.
Go, go. Ah bon, vas-y, vas-y. Ah ouais, sauter. Go, 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 go. Sauter. Yeah. Hello.
Unfortunately for us, they got the B-bomb site in the last second. Unbelievable. Crazy clutch by the enemy team. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm Unseeable. I'll catch you guys later.